Hello, Jenny here, garden expert at Holland Bulb Farms. A question we get asked a lot is when is the best time to plant bulbs in spring? So spring planted bulbs are gonna typically bloom in summer. They also tend to be a little bit more cold sensitive, also sometimes called tender bulbs. These would be things like a dahlia, a calla lily, a canna lily, a gladiolus, a begonia. So you definitely want to wait until the danger of frost in your area has passed, but also until your soil and your air temperatures have warmed up. So typically this is when your soil and air temperatures are above 65 degrees during the day. Then you know it's safe to plant those tender bulbs. Hardy bulbs, like a lily or even our bare root perennials, they tolerate cold temperatures a lot better. So usually you can plant those bulbs when the soil and air temperature is above 50 degrees during the day. Anytime those conditions are met, you know it's safe to plant. Holland Bulb Farms has over 400 bulb and perennial options for all your spring planting needs. So good luck and let's get growing.